With the Bitcoin price rising again, trying to leave $12,000 behind it, it is clear that many people are trying to profit from it. Of course, mining Bitcoins with a normal PC is no longer profitable, but other cryptocurrencies, such as Monero, can still generate profits for miners. Especially for cybercriminals that install illegal crypto miners and have you pay the electricity bill for it. These crypto mining threats have definitely had a comeback lately. For example, this week, researchers found an installer for the security tool Malwarebytes bundled with malware. Fortunately, it is not a supply chain attack, but rather the attacker actually spreads the malicious installer on some third-party sites. The attackers have just repackaged the original installer file and bundled it with a Monero miner, which is based on XMRig. Infections are mainly seen in Eastern Europe, but could of course spread anywhere soon. Once the installer gets executed, an installer for the product appears, which will in the background also install the Monero coin miner as a hidden service. From that moment on, the system will react slowly and run at a high CPU load, which may even damage your battery, at least if you are running on a laptop. Acronis Cyber Protect has a threat-agnostic heuristic specifically designed to detect and block crypto coin miners, which have been unknowingly installed in the background before they can actually bring your system down to its knees.